Today, Lily and Duo are going to be competing in a high-stakes chess match, but there's a twist. They're going to be helped or sabotaged by our very own interns. Behind every balloon is a piece or a challenge. There'll be an intern on each side. They'll pop a balloon. If you get a piece, Duo and Lily have to move it. If they get a challenge, the interns have to do it, and the stakes are high, because we have a very special punishment plan for the losing side.
All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead with that one over there. Pawn.
In a chess game, the white pieces move first. This is often seen as an advantage, so a lot of people like playing with the white pieces.
I think I'm gonna go with big blue right here.
Hot sauce. You gotta do it now, man. Woo. You went for the big blue. I'm gonna go for the big red. This one.
Okay.
Let's see. All right, it's queen. Let's go.
We'll do this one. I don't know. Okay.
You got lucky. I think I'm gonna go for the other shiny one. Let's see. Streak slacker. What? Have you done a streak? Have you done a streak? Have you done a streak? Have you done your streak?
In the opening moves of a chess game, it's very common to move out your knight or your bishop. This is called developing your pieces.
Honestly, I'm feeling really lucky right now. I think I gotta go with this purple one right here.
Knight.
Knight, okay, we got knight.
Okay.
That's good, that's good.
For duo, team duo, I'm gonna go with the lucky green right here. Serenade. Oh,
You gonna serenade me, bro?
Duolingo chess.
I think next I'm gonna choose this yellow one right here. Pawn. You got another chess piece, okay.
Fair
I like
enough,
that,
fair
I like
enough.
that.
I think I like this purple one right here. Team Lily, I'm gonna pop that. Yeah, man. Skip turn.
Duo had to skip his turn. This is detrimental because now his piece is hanging. The pawn can take it, and the pawn is a lot less valuable than what he's gonna lose.
I'm gonna go with yellow one more time. Let's see it. Yo, silly hat time.
You only have red one on the top. Let's see. King. Okay.
Okay. Let's go green, because I'm feeling lucky. Hop on. Oh my gosh!
There's only one purple left. I think it's calling me. Let's go. Speak a language. I can do that. I work here.
Okay, I think I'm finally gonna get a chess piece.
Estoura mais um aí, vai pegar um ruim, vai pegar um ruim, vai pegar um ruim. Vai ser horrível.
Pawn. Yeah.
Acredito nisso, cara, não acredito.
Oh.
I don't know now. But I want to get a piece. I think I have enough challenges. I think I'll get this one, this white one right here. Knight. All right. I can do that. Yeah.
Gosh. Just give me something good, please. Just give me something good.
Sing a song.
Oh my gosh! Oh,
please,
say can that Star Spangled Banner?
Feeling this red one on the bottom. All right, let's go.
Heck no.
Costume time. Wait, if I get to wear the duo costume. Okay.
This dude got the avocado, so I feel lucky. I'm gonna go with this one right here. Let's go! We got the queen!
Okay. You got the queen. I think I'm gonna go with this one here. Let's go. Bishop. Okay, I can do
dang
that.
it.
Yeah.
If I get another challenge, I'm gonna crash out, but let's okay. Let's go with this one.
Dude,
Yes!
I can't believe you got
Thank
lucky
you.
again.
Woo.
That's crazy. It's two white ones. I think I'll go with the smallest one. Let's see. Call my mom. Hey, mom. Yeah. This is an avocado soup. I'll tell you when I get home. It's okay.
This tactic is called a fishing pole attack. If the pawn takes the knight, now the H file is open, and you can deliver a checkmate.
Okay, we got 3 balloons left. I'm feeling extra lucky right now.
I just know you're gonna get a challenge, man.
Watch this then. Oh my, dance.
Get your moves ready. Honestly, I thought Duo was gonna do better than this, but there's nothing much you can do about it now. I'll just pop this one.
Yeah, you're gonna lose, so just go. Oh my gosh!
Thank you so much for watching today. If you liked the video, please subscribe and comment below.